How the U.S. presidential election works. Every 4 years, the United States elects a new president. But how exactly do Americans choose their leader? Let's take a look at the process, step by step. The first step is for political parties to choose who will represent them in the race. The two biggest parties in the U.S. are the Democratic Party and the Republican Party. Each party has multiple candidates who want to run for president, but only one person from each party can be chosen, and that's where the primaries come in. Primaries are like smaller elections in each state. People vote for the candidate they want to represent their party. The person with the most votes from each party becomes the party's nominee for president. Now that each party has a candidate, the real race begins. The candidates travel all over the country, giving speeches and telling people why they should be the next president. This is called a campaign. They also appear on TV and debate each other to show who has the best ideas for the country. On the first Tuesday of November, it's Election Day. People all over the country go to polling places to cast their vote for who they want to be president. But did you know, the person who gets the most votes doesn't always win? That's because of something called the Electoral College. The U.S. uses something called the Electoral College to pick the president. Each state has a certain number of electoral votes based on how many people live there. Bigger states have more electoral votes, while smaller states have fewer. When people vote, they're actually voting for a group of electors who promise to vote for the candidate their state picks. To win the election, a candidate needs to get at least 270 electoral votes. That's more than half of the 538 total electoral votes. So, even if one candidate wins the popular vote, they still need to win enough states to get 270 electoral votes. The first one to reach that number becomes the president. After the election, the new president is officially sworn in on January 20th. This special day is called Inauguration Day. It's when the president promises to do their best job leading the country. And that's how the U.S. elects a president. When you turn 18, you'll be able to vote and help choose the country's next leader. Isn't that exciting? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how things work.